Okay, let's do another game. Oh, by the way, I've started using Twitter again for a laugh. I want to put in my own chess quotations as well as chess quotations from others, as well as tweeting latest videos. So if you're not already following me, please could you follow me on twitter.com/KingsCrusher. Also, by the way, if you haven't checked it out, there's loads of live stream content which might not be on YouTube, just a lot of stuff. So livestream.com KingsCrusher. So got a few channels around. I think I'll play F4. Okay, if I take on C6, is that what am I supposed to do here? Knight B3? Forgot. I'll just play Knight B3. Probably not good. Bishop D3, maybe next. Maybe if I just castle kingside as a little surprise. Stop B4. I think Fisher emphasised that in 60 memorable games, or Larry Evans might have done. Okay, so E5 here looks a bit juicy. E5. Why is he allowing E5? It's because I just lose a pawn, isn't it? So I'll play Rook A1 for a sec. Now E5 here, he's going to win some squares. Does it matter? I'll give him some squares. I'm going to be optimistic here. Can I just take on H7, Queen H5, take on F7 again, Rook F3, doesn't that just win? So let's see, Bishop H7, King takes, Queen H5, King G8, Queen F7, King H7, Rook F3, Bishop G5, Rook H3, there's Bishop H6 there. I'll do it anyway. I suppose as the king I'll work out later what happens. Vulnerable bits, F7, H7. I want to play one brilliant game today. Hope this is it. Okay, so Rook F3, Bishop G5. Rook H3, Bishop H6. Anything going on there? Probably not. Knight E4, Bishop G5, he attacks my queen. Knight takes D5 actually, Knight takes D5 hits his queen, which means Bishop G5 I've got Knight takes C7. So if Knight D5, say ED5, Rook F6 or something, Bishop F6. Come on. Must be something here. Knight D5. I could play Knight D5, then check, then Rook F7. Then come in slowly with Queen G6. Could try that. There's blocks in that bishop anyway on that diagonal for a sec. So Rook F7, nasty pin. I'm actually threatening Rook G7? Or not, just Queen G6. And there's Bishop F8. So I've got that pin on the Queen. Bishop F6, Rook F8. Nope, can't see a thing. Okay, think about this again. Rook F1 would threaten Rook G7, Rook F7. So Rook F1, simply to try and get the other rook to F7 after sacking on G7. That looks good. So Bishop G5, check this out, take the Queen. Okay, so Knight E5. Ouch. Doesn't look convincing. I don't know what to do about Knight E5. Okay, I'll go for that one. Well, there's probably Queen E5. Uh-oh. He's pinning lots of stuff after Queen E5. Actually, Rook F8. What about Queen G6 here? It's queen g5. Oh, I've really messed this up then. Bishop f6, queen h5, rook g7, king moves. Bishop f6. So queen g5, there's queen g5. No, there's rook g7 there. So bishop g5. Then there's nothing again. What about h4 then? I've got time for h4. Play h4. So what do I want to get in here? That queen is too good on e5, protecting everything. Ah. What about knight? Knight move? Nope. No, we're just losing material here. That's bishop e7, that's rook f7. Oh, disaster. Rook f8 takes queen h8, nothing. No, it can't. I'm just running out of time. Let's play rook f3 for a sec. 30 seconds. And then rook g3, bishop h6. Oh, the attack's gone, I think. That's a shame. Maybe it's something for analysis after. This is going to blunder here, I don't know. I haven't got much to attack with now. Although rook h3 looks like c5 actually, for a sec. Try and keep some flexibility with the queen. 16 seconds. No, it's just piece down. This knight can go somewhere. Down set. 13 seconds. So rook h3. No, there's no rook h3. It's all gone. Sad. Thought I had something really interesting earlier, but it's all gone. Bad illusion. I haven't got any attack here. 13 seconds. Let's go. He's got checks if he wants. It's all pretty bad. I'll resign. Oh, it's a disaster. Let's have a look anyway. Maybe it's subject for investigation here. This position. Maybe there's nothing. Knight d5 I played. So I played check, rook f7. I guess the bailout here is simple. Just to repeat the checks for a draw. So rook f7 commits me to winning or losing. After rook f8, there's no rook g7 here. Takes queen h6. There's another draw by Perpetua if I wanted it. Maybe there's nothing more. No, hang on. Oh, don't tell me there's bishop h6. Rook g7 takes bishop h6. So king there. Bishop bishop takes, king g8. I don't know, that's better, rook g7 anyway. Another plain out for draw, but no, this is gone now. That queen e5 defends everything. So that's something to watch out for. Don't give the opponent that position with everything protected. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.